Let me ask you something. How many great ideas have you had, but never shared because the tech felt overwhelming? How many hours have you wasted jumping between tools, writing emails, building pages, setting up automations, only to feel stuck, frustrated, and completely drained? Listen, the problem isn't you. The problem is using the wrong tools. If you want to grow online, whether you're building a brand, launching a course, selling a product, or growing a YouTube channel, you need one simple, powerful, reliable platform that does the heavy lifting for you. That's why I want to talk to you about GetResponse. This isn't just another email tool. This is a complete marketing machine built for creators, entrepreneurs, and go-getters like you. With GetResponse, you can create stunning emails in minutes, set up smart automation that works while you sleep, build high-converting landing pages with no coding, launch full sales funnels, host webinars, sell products, and now even let AI help you write your content and build campaigns for you. No tech headaches, no need to hire a team, just pure focused creation and real results. Whether you're just starting or scaling up, GetResponse gives you the freedom to focus on what matters. Your message, your growth, your impact. And the best part? They have a free plan to get started, no credit card, no pressure, just results. So if you're done wasting time, if you're ready to build like a pro, grow like a boss, and finally make your vision real, click the link below. Try GetResponse today and let your ideas finally take off. Because your message deserves to be heard, your business deserves to grow, and you deserve the best tools to make it happen.